welcome back to the channel. I have freshly washed hair because I'm about to do finger coils. Finger coils is of course a very consistent curl pattern all around. Basically, I'm gonna take my hair and coil them. What was I trying to say? I'm basically just gonna spin it around my finger until I get like a perfect little spiral. So I'm really happy that I'm doing the finger coils today. I was actually gonna do it a couple weeks ago, back when my hair was like much longer. And I'm so happy because finger coils low-key takes a long time. So now that I have short hair, it's not gonna take me as long, and I really wanna see how quick it'll be for me to do it. I'm actually really excited because I hate having to finger coil with long hair because like you're literally spinning for a very long time. So this will cut down my style time significantly. So I'm gonna just take this down. I guess I should have kept talking with my head wrap on. I just honestly can't take myself seriously. So yeah, right before I get started on actually doing the style, I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm going to be using to do my finger coils. Of course, I'm going to have my spray bottle handy because I want my hair completely damp when I do this, because you don't want a finger coil on dry hair. My hair is wet, of course, so I just got the shower, but it's drying up pretty quickly since I have my head wrap on. And I'm just going to apply this leave-in conditioner, Cream of Nature Pure Honey Breakup Breakage leave-in conditioner. I read that pretty well backwards. I use this all the time. I love it. It's an absolute great leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to put this on right before I apply this styling gel. It's Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. This is basically like an eco styler. I actually picked this up back when eco styler was like trending for having ingredients that are linked to cancer. So I was like, oh no, let me try something else. Even though I still low-key sometimes use eco styler. I really love this. It doesn't have as strong as a hold as eco styler. I only use eco styler for my like ponytails and stuff. I don't use it for anything else. But I picked this up and I tried it. I tried doing finger coils with this once and I loved it. So I'm gonna do it again today and hopefully it comes out just as cute. We're gonna see. So let's get started.
So I'm working with 4 sections and I'm just gonna pin the other 3 up and work on one section at a time. I'm gonna apply my water first, make sure it's fully saturated, and then apply my leave-in. Get it all out and lather my hair with it, and then split it up so that I can work with my finger coils. And then after we applied our leave-in in our entire section, once we start splitting up into smaller pieces, we're going to apply the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed gel right before we start twirling and get to spinning. So when you're twirling your hair, you want to make sure that you're also getting the root, because that is super important, because you don't want to have defined curls and then puffy roots, because that just is not it at all. So yes, just like that. Yes, girl. Spin, 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 and make sure you're twirling the roots all the way.
Purchase your tracks today.
Issa Torres on the beat, boys.
is the final look. I absolutely love the definition I have, but I do not love how short my hair is now. Since I gotta cut, these finger coils are so much shorter than they usually are, and I don't know if I'm a fan of that or not. But I just love the definition that I did get from this, and after you break that seal, your hair will become so much softer. My hair feels amazing. I'm probably gonna put my hair like half up, half down, simply because I'm about to go to the pool and George's summer ain't nothing to play with. That's actually why I emphasize you should twirl up to the roots. Like your roots shouldn't be puffy when you're doing your finger coils. You shouldn't just focus on your ends or like the strands of your hair. You need to focus on the roots because your hair will get frizz, and especially in humid weather, you don't want your roots to be like a nappy mess and then the rest of your hair is just like curled. So as you can see, like I tried my hardest to go up to the roots so that when it does get a bit older, it doesn't look as bad. I'm sorry, I keep playing with my hair, but it's just kind of all over the place right now. I just had to figure out how to style it. But I hope this video was useful to you guys because I really do love finger coils, and as you can tell, you get great results when you use the right products and you have the right technique. So I really hope you guys like this video, and like, subscribe, tell your friends to tell a friend, comment, let me know if you liked it. Do you like this short look on me or not? What do you want to see? Just let us know. Follow us on Instagram. That'll be easier to tell us what you want to see from us, and all that information is down below. And I'll also put the products I use to do this style in the description box, and I'll have it linked to like an Amazon page to buy if you are interested. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm glad that you guys watched. Bye guys.